Oh, hi, I'm recording. Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, I almost fell over. It's me, Bailey, and in today's video, I'm going to be doing a little quick get ready with me for my little choir concert that I have tonight. Can't freaking wait. Yeah, I'm in choir. Sorry, there was something on my lens. Anyways, yeah, so I chose to do choir this year. So wait, words are so hard to form. So last year in 7th grade, you had to do one of like the music categories. You had to do orchestra, band, or choir, and I did choir because, you know, I don't play a friggin' instrument. So, the only instrument that I have is my vocal cords. Why did I just stroke my neck like that? So I did choir last year, and then this year in 8th grade, you're able to choose art as one of the options, and all of my friends were doing choir, so I chose to do choir, but I kind of wish I didn't do choir because I don't like choir. I don't sound good, especially now, like I'm sick as crap. Like I have like a cold going on and it's getting better, but like if you can hear it in my voice, it's kind of like, you know what I mean? So I have a choir concert tonight and it's actually in like a while. I think we have to be there at like 7:10 and it's 4:30 right now, which I don't need that much time to get ready. However, I need to post a video. So my thoughts are that I'm going to film this, edit it right away, and then post it tonight or tomorrow. So that's my whole plan. Yeah, so let's get ready for our concert. So right now what I'm wearing is this outfit right here. This is what I wore to school today with my new blue Vans. So I have this like yellow graphic tee with these like black, slightly ripped jeans. Can you see the shirt? It's really cute. Anyways, the shirt's from Tilly's, jeans are from Hollister, and then I wear the Vans, which are from Vans, believe it or not. For choir, what we have to wear is our black polo shirts, which is sitting right there, and then we have to wear black jeans on the bottom, and they're not supposed to be ripped, but you know, I don't have black jeans that aren't ripped, and I'm not gonna go buy jeans that are black without rips because that's a waste of my money since I'm never gonna wear them besides in choir. This is my last choir concert forever. You know, not doing choir in high school, I'm doing art because, you know, I prefer art. Yeah, let's get ready together. I actually don't want to get ready at all right now. I just want to take a nap and my dad just got home. Hello? How's it going? Dad, are you taking me to my choir concert?
I'll pay you money if you can get a ride with somebody.
You really don't want to go, huh?
No, not at all. You know how terrible it is? I was watching you guys do the Irish jig.
You really don't want to watch my last choir concert ever.
Really, no. You can sing around here, that's fine. I'll listen to you.
Is Mom gonna take me?
No, she says she's got to help with that rummage sale setup.
So neither of my parents want to support me in my singing career. Dad, it's my last choir concert forever.
Yeah.
Okay, I guess I'll find a ride. Okay. Oh shoot, I thought my camera was gonna fall. Losing my mind. So neither of my parents want to come and support me and watch me in my choir concert. So let's call someone that I am friends with. If I had a phone. Okay, I think I'm gonna call Elise. Elise does choir, right? Yeah.
Hello?
Hi.
Hi.
I have a quick question. Okay, so neither of my parents want to go to the choir concert. And
love it.
So,
I'll take you.
Yay!
So we'll pick you up at like 7.
Okay, thank you so much. My parents don't love me.
Yep, bye, love you.
Bye, love you. I think I'm gonna take my makeup off from like school because it'll just be easier to do it without, okay, what is that? So I'm gonna take my makeup off and then I'll be back in a little bit. I have approximately 2.5 hours to film and edit and get this video uploaded. Okay, montage start now with me taking my makeup off. Maybe, I don't know if I'm gonna do a montage. This is what I use to take off my makeup. It's the Neutrogena makeup removers. I usually tear them in half to save them because I go through them so fast. So I just like fold this one back up and stick it back in. I don't know if I want to like curl my hair or just leave it like straight down. I'm so hungry, my stomach's like... Okay, now I'm just gonna wash my face using my Clean and Clear Deep Action Exfoliating Scrub to get any makeup that I didn't get off and to get my face just clean. Okay, my my face is all clean. Do I have my freaking tripod? Oh no, where's my tripod? Oh my god. There's coffee all over my dresser and I don't know how it got there. So let's do our makeup. The first thing I'm gonna do is spray my almost empty Mario Badescu spray on my face because, you know, if you know me, this is my favorite. Okay, so now that we've got our face moistened, I'm gonna use my Proteini Polypeptide. I'm shaking because I'm so hungry. My Drunk Elephant moisturizer. I'm everyone's fantasy. Okay, now I'm gonna mix these two primers. This is the Lancome Le Base Pro primer. This is like super pore filling and like silicone-y. And then this is the Maybelline Master Prime hydration base thing. My skin's really dry, so I try to use like a hydrating primer and a pore filling primer, if that makes sense. Like everywhere. Now that that's all in, I'm gonna use my Smashbox primer water spray just because I like sprays. Are we gonna do foundation? I don't know, I haven't worn foundation in so long. Do I go in with the Fenty or do I go in with the It Cosmetics? Probably It Cosmetics. Why is this anti-aging? Why did I buy... I've used like half of the tube and I just now realized that it's anti-aging. But it also says hydrating serum, so I think that's good because like I need hydration in my life. Let me get this wet. Okay, now that my little sponge is wet, I'm gonna just dab my foundation CC cream stuff in. I love this CC cream so much. If you guys want like a good, this says full coverage, and honestly, yeah, it does have really good coverage. Like if you want just like a really good high coverage something, but like really lightweight and like feels like you have nothing on your skin, I definitely recommend this. It's just like the Your Skin But Better CC cream. I'm gonna use my Tarte Shape Tape because I'm a basic hoe. Actually, I don't really want to use this. This is too full coverage. I don't want to look like I tried too hard, so I'm gonna use my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer and just put this in the places that I want to conceal. That's where I put the concealer, in case you are wondering. Guys, I feel like the last like week of my life has been consumed with James Charles talk and like seeing things all related to James Charles. And honestly, I don't know what to think about it. I'm kind of here for it, but like I kind of feel bad at the same time. But you know, I don't know the whole situation, even though I've seen every single video posted on YouTube about it. Like I wasn't part of the situation. I don't know the situation, so I feel bad like commentating on it because like I'm not a drama channel and like I don't really know what I'm talking about, and like this is kind of dark. So I'm gonna bring my brightness up. I don't know what to say. Like I think I kind of feel bad because like everybody deserves second chances, but from what I've heard, like the stuff that he has been doing has been going on for like an extremely long time, and like nothing has changed, and like people have talked to him about it, but like he just kind of played it off like it was some joke. I don't really want to talk about it anymore. Never mind. Bye. Done. I'm going to spray my face again with this like primer water by my Smashbox. Now I'm going to set using my Coty Airspun powder. There's powder all over my jeans now. Okay, so I'm just gonna powder under my eyes lightly and like everywhere else basically. I'm gonna bronze my face using the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil. I don't know, I like it. Okay, so I went to my last choir concert exactly how I looked coming home from school. So I had like flaky mascara all over my face and like no concealer left on my face, and you know, I didn't look the best, but I really just didn't care, and I still don't really care. I'm just trying to like make this video, get ready with me, so yeah, that's what's happening. For blush, I'm gonna use this Tarte blush in the color Do Not Disturb, and this is the Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush. Favorite blush. I love the color. I love how it looks. I love how subtle it is, but it's also like still there. And I know you guys can't even really see my face that well because like the light. I really like this blush. Now I'm gonna highlight, I guess just finish off my face makeup, and I'm gonna use my Becca, what color is this? Champagne Pop. How could I forget? This highlight is so freaking good, you guys. You can make it subtle by just adding a little bit, but then you can also make it completely blinding by adding like 2 dips into the pan. I don't even know where I'm putting highlight at this point. It's just kind of everywhere. looks good. Let's do my eyebrows next, and then we'll do eyeshadow. So I'm gonna do my eyebrows really simple, just with like a pencil. So this is the Benefit Goof Proof eyebrow pencil. Just combing my brows, and then I don't do too much to my brows when I do them, but they're quite uneven right now, so we're just gonna try to make them more even than they are. This eyebrow is so messed up. I like shaved part of it off on accident last time I was doing my eyebrows. But you know, nothing that a little eyebrow pencil action can't fix. It took me all of about 10 seconds to do my eyebrows. I'm gonna set that in place with my e.l.f. eyebrow gel, and I honestly don't really like this eyebrow gel, but I'm out of my Benefit one. So pretty much a majority of my makeup is done. I'm going to go ahead and spray this with my Urban Decay setting spray, because I spray stuff on my face multiple times, even when I'm not done with my makeup. I'm gonna do my eyeshadow really quick. I'm not gonna do anything too intense just because I don't really want to, but I'm going in with my Tartelette In the Bloom palette by Tarte and this little fluffy blending brush. I literally use the same brush to do every step in my makeup, in my eyeshadow. So I'm gonna go in with this light nude shade and put this just all over my lid to begin. This brush has not been cleaned in like a few weeks, so there's already like some other colors on it, but they're all like the colors that I'm going to use today, so it's whatever. Honestly, it looks like I already did my eyeshadow. Now I'm going to go in with Jet Setter and Smarty Pants, which is these two colors, one dip in each, and gonna put this in my crease. Okay, now I'm gonna take an even larger, it's just like a super fluffy blending brush, and I hope this doesn't have any product on it because we're just gonna go in and blend. Okay, now I'm gonna take this flat brush from Eco Tools, I believe, and take this bottom shimmery gold shade from the same palette I've used, and this is Funny Girl, and I'm going to put this on the inner portion of my lid and kind of just like cut my crease with it. I'm gonna take my hair down so I can take a thumbnail really quick of me like actually doing the makeup. Oh my god, you guys, my hair looks so bad. I don't know how I'm supposed to do it for the concert. Okay, that was my thumbnail. And I'm also gonna dab that in my inner corner. Ow, oh my god, this brush just stabbed me. And then we're going to curl my eyelashes. So this is like, oh, I have to set my face again first. Mari Badescu. Okay, now I'm gonna curl my eyelashes. I'm using my viewfinder as a mirror right now, so sorry I'm a little bit close. So much better. Literally, look what curling your eyelashes, like look what the difference it makes. It makes such a difference. Does it? I don't know. That's what my eyelashes look all curled. I'm gonna use a mixture of these three mascaras today. These two for my top, this one for my bottom. So I'm gonna start with this Tarte Man-Eater mascara. I got this in my Ipsy and I honestly kind of hate it, but it makes your eyelashes look really long and separated. So I put this on first to kind of get like a good base going for like the other one that I use. It's like a really big brush. Like look at this compared to my eye. Like it's a huge brush. It's like my whole eyebrow. So see, it doesn't really do that much. Like it doesn't really make them that bold, but it kind of adds like a good layer of length. Okay, then I'm going in with my Tarte Lights Camera Lashes mascara. This is my favorite mascara right now. It has been for like a steady few months. And that's saying something because I usually get bored of the same mascara after like a few weeks or like a month. But this one has been working for me and working for a lot of my friends for a long time now. So I recommend it if you want a good mascara that has an even ratio of volume to length, helping abilities. Like that was literally one coat. Okay, my camera battery is about to die, so I have to change it between my other one and this one. But this is what my top mascara looks like. I'm just going to quickly do my bottom mascara with my Maybelline Stiletto mascara. I use this one for my bottom just because it's this tiny little skinny brush. And then I'm going to clean up my mascara around my eyelid portion. And then I'm going to spray my face again, probably using my Urban Decay setting spray. And then I'm going to start working on my hair, but I don't really know what I want to do yet, but you'll see. Okay, you guys, so I finished. Okay, wait, let me turn. My exposure's always a few notches too low. So I finished my makeup. This is what it looks like Can you see it? I don't know. I really actually love how the eye makeup turned out. It's like very subtle, but it's like very pretty. Why did I say pretty like that? I'm gonna chill out on my bed for a few minutes and just go on my phone. It's 5:21, so I've been filming for almost an hour now. Not straight, but like pretty much straight. I'm so sorry for the way I've been acting in this video. I have videos where I'm like super chill and like not annoying, and then I have videos like this where all I do is just like be annoying and like question my self-worth. And I forgot lips, and there's like foundation crusted in my lips. Okay, bye. Hey, okay, so I just went on my phone for a few minutes, like 10 minutes. It's 5:30 exactly now. My hair is looking a little bit greasy. My hair has been getting greasy so fast lately. Like, I know it's not dirty, but it feels and looks dirty, which is, oh my god, which is really unfortunate because I literally showered last night at like 11 p.m. and it was already greasy by like 12 p.m. today. Let me know down below if you have any product recommendations or remedies to help your hair stay less greasy for longer. For real, if you guys have the same problem as me and you have found a shampoo and conditioner that has like helped or anything that's helped, let me know, please. This is almost gone because I use it every day. It's literally gone. Oh, I have another one in here that's full. Oh my, I think I'm just gonna leave my hair straight because I don't want to curl it. This is literally how I want to wear my hair. Like, I'm over it. Like, I'm just gonna brush it like later when I go. I'm gonna put my little polo shirt on just to show you guys what the whole fit looks like. It's ugly, but then I'm gonna end this video because, you know, it was just a get ready with me. It's not like a whole extravagant vlog. So, you know, sorry if you wanted more, but this is all that I'm willing to give you today. Okay, do you guys want to see it? It kind of says my school name, so I kind of have to cover it. Okay, so it says my school name, but like, it says my school name and then that little music. So this is what the fit looks like, black on black, where you love it, so cute. I also have to wear black shoes. I'm going to be wearing my Tom's little slide-on shoes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe down below. I know it was super random and I know that it wasn't that much of it wasn't quality content. Yeah, follow my Instagram at bailey.dedrick. Bye. We're sitting here and I'm scared. Okay, bye.